Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you how to install an amazing and totally free adult application to your Fire Stick. It does not require any mouse toggle, no registration, no email address, no phone number, nothing like that. You just get the app and it works. And the whole process is going to take you only a couple of minutes. So it's great for us, the users. And now let me quickly show you how to get the app to your device. So first of all, you need to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device, here it is, open the search bar, and in the search bar start typing Downloader. Usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because as you can see, Downloader has already appeared for us. So we click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we'll need to go to settings. Here they are, we need to click on that button with the gear icon, then we scroll down until we see My Fire TV. So let's open it, and there we'll need to open developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden. So if you cannot find the developer options anywhere, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. To find developer options, we just need to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. Now as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So let's open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and here turn that option on for the Downloader. So what it does is going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we can finally go to the list of apps on our device. So let's click on the home button on your remote and go to the list of applications. Here it is, let's open it. And there you'll actually find the Downloader, which we just got to your Fire Stick. However, before opening the Downloader and using it, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great application for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, or pretty much any other device you may think of, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is amazing pricing. In the VPN app, you just connect to any location, let's say I connected to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your internet traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's extremely important if you wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out or give it a try, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. So go get those 4 months for free and then use Downloader safely. Now we can finally open the Downloader application, so let's do it. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important, and then here you'll see a search bar, which we need to open. In that search bar, we'll type a link, which you'll see on your screen in a moment. So here's a link which you need to enter. I will not pronounce the name of the link because YouTube may not like it, so make sure to enter it exactly as you see on the screen and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work. After you have entered the link, click on Go. And then in a couple of seconds, a website is going to open for you. And what you have to do here is just click on that huge red button which you see on the screen. So we click on it, and then a new web page is going to open, which you also have to scroll down until once again you see that huge download button, which is of red color. So we click on it, and now in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it happens really fast. Click on install right here, and then after the app has been installed, I would recommend you not to click open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore. So do not let it clog the memory of your Fire Stick, because you don't have too much of the memory anyway. We click on delete, and then just click delete once again. After that, you can finally go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. And when you scroll down, you'll find this new adult application on your Fire Stick. I had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case, of course, the logo is not going to be blurry. Just don't forget to use a VPN to stay safe and private online, especially when using adult applications, and see you next time. Bye bye.